He gets away, we'll find out who the victor is.
Maybe they will die because there's no oxygen.
Maybe you could fence him in.
Okay, we're gonna stop the fight now.
No, let him fight.
Okay.
Stop the fight!
Should we stop the fight? Oh my, wow, did you see that, Manti? Oh my gosh! He put him in the back, like, oh my gosh, you should see that. That was crazy.
It looks like that's water. And just fight it in the water. Okay, come for Mama's camera.
Gosh, these two doesn't even stop fighting.
Just kill those bugs now.
Connie, you cannot kill those. Okay, I think they're done. Okay, finally. Uh-oh, they're coming back. Uh-oh, they're still not done yet. Oh my gosh, they see each other. Oh my gosh. The other one fell down on his back. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I will just stop this videotaping now.
No.
Just let them wrestle and fight each other, okay? Okay. Let's just see what happened next.